It's that time of year where everyone's writing their New Year, New Me resolution lists. And I think what we get wrong here is we identify the destination without building the vehicle. This is where I think Admiral Ackbar is right.
It's a trap!
Why? Because resolution requires willpower, and willpower is just a battery, and it will run out by the 15th of January, if not sooner. I'm not just guessing at this. I've seen the data. Hundreds of you have filled in the Creative Locator quiz in 2025, and the data shows that there's a pattern of system avoiders. And we don't want to put in the work, do the hard thing to get there. We're addicted to starting and that dopamine rush. It feels good until we get into the messy middle, and then we get stalled, stymied, we stop for one reason or another, and it's hard to keep going. And then it's easier to just start something new. I get it, I've been there. But we're hiding from the finish line. We don't have the guide rails to get us there. And this is really common in lots of people that I talk to. And I know the word system makes you want to vomit a little. It makes you feel like you're at work, like you're stuck in corporate. But systems are what separate professionals from amateurs. And I know you've finished things. But it was probably because there was some sort of external factor, like there was a client that said they'd pay you. Somebody said, I'll buy that from you, or you were submitting to a competition or a gallery deadline. When you remove those external motivations, you stop shipping. And sometimes you're able to build up enough momentum to get something out the door because you put a deadline on it or you fake yourself out a little bit. But to be a pro, you've got to build internal systems. So if you're a stuck finisher, or you keep getting tripped up in the messy middle and letting yourself go, it's not that you need more talent. You just need to build some guide rails. And a system, it's not a prison. It's a scaffolding to hold you up when your motivation fails. It's just gentle nudging to keep you moving in the right direction. And that can be as simple as doing 2 projects at once. One big long-term project and maybe having a small project that when something, and things do get stuck. We're waiting for delivery. Something, goes to somebody else to approve or add their flavor to it. But then maybe having something else you're able to work on yourself on the side so that you're able to flip over here and keep going and not feel like you're just spinning your wheel and wasting times. There's just simple hacks like that, just easy ways to do it. But you need lots of them. They need to cover all the bases. And this January, don't set a goal. Build a system that's going to keep you on track, keep you motivated, and you'll be able to build it and tweak it over the year. And in January, I'm going to be running a Start 26 Strong workshop to help those who want to build those guide rails. Fill in the quiz down below, and anyone who's filled it in before, I'll be sending you details for the next couple of days so that we can get together and stop starting and start finishing. Okay. YouTube's going to show you another video here, but until then, stay creative, and I'll see you at the workshop.